Today we are discussing question and answers for N10-008 certification. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. A packet is assigned a value to ensure it does not traverse a network indefinitely. Which of the following best represents its value? Option A, zero thrust. Option B, planned obsolescence. Option C, time to leave. And option D, caching. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following policies should be referenced when the user wants to access work email on a personal cell phone? Option A, offboarding policy. Option B, acceptable use policy. Option C, BYOD policy. And option D, remote access policy. The correct answer is option C. After a firewall replacement, some alarms and metrics related to network availability stop updating on a monitoring system relying on SNMP. Which of the following should the network administrator do first? Option A, modify the device MIB to the monitoring system. Option B, configure syslog to send events to the monitoring system. Option C, use port mirroring to redirect traffic to the monitoring system. And option D, deploy SMB to transfer data to the monitoring system. The correct answer is option A. Add the At the destination host, which of the following OSI model layers will discard a segment with the bad checksum in the UDP header? Option A, network. Option B, data link. Option C, transport. Option D, session. The correct answer is option C. A voice engineer is troubleshooting a phone issue. When a call is placed, the caller hears echoes of the receiver's voice. Which of the following are the cause of this issue? Option A, jitter. Option C, speed mismatch. Option C, QoS misconfiguration. Option D, protocol mismatch. Option E, CRC error. Option F, encapsulation errors. The correct answers are option A and C. Which of the following VPN configuration should be used to separate internet and corporate traffic? Option A, split tunnel. Option B, remote desktop gateway. Option C, site to site. Option D, out of band management. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following is required when connecting an endpoint device with an RJ45 port to the network device with the ST port? Option A, a media converter. Option B, a bridge. Option C, MDIX. Option D, a load balancer. The correct answer is option A. The management team is instituted a 48-hour RTO as part of the disaster recovery plan. Which of the following procedures would meet the policy's requirement? Option A, recover all systems to a loss of 48 hours of data. Option B, limit network downtime to the maximum of 48 hours per year. Option C, recover all systems within 48 hours. And option D, require 48 hours of system backup maintenance. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following cable types would most likely to be used to provide high speed network connectivity between nearby buildings? Option A, UTP. Option B, coaxial. Option C, fiber. Option D, Cat5. And option E, twin axial. The correct answer is option C. Which of the following is the physical security mechanism that would most likely to be used to enter secure site? Option A, a landing page. Option B, an access control vestibule. Option C, a smart locker. Option D, a firewall. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following best describes the north south traffic flow? Option A, the public internet using accessing published web server. Option B, a database server communicating with another clustered database server. Option C, a layer 3 switch advertising routes to the router. And option D, the management application connecting to the managed device. The correct answer is option D. A network switch was installed to provide connectivity to camera monitoring wildlife in remote locations. The organization is concerned that intruders could potentially leverage unattended equipment in the remote location to connect roused devices and gain access to the organization's resources. Which of the following techniques would best address the concern? Option A, configure port security using MAC filtering. Option B, manually register the cameras on the switch address table. Option C, activate PoE plus on the active switch port. And option D, disable neighbor discovery protocol on the switch. The correct answer is option A.